Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to download something, and then we can enter the Play Store. So let's tap on it, and here if you're signed in, of course if not then you will have to log in, just tap on the circle which is your account. Now you have to tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all apps and games which are currently installed on this device, and in order to check the updates, simply tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got only 2 different apps which I can update, so all we have to do is to simply mark the one we would like to update. Of course, we can mark both of them in my case, and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now your device will download the update, and then after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated and applied. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.